Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today guys we will return to the discussion of the Great British Pound, since the setup that we have discussed on previous week now has entered in the active phase when you can see that market has reestablished move to the upside. But first we will take a look at the Canadian dollar that we have discussed yesterday, because yesterday on the forum our forum member Charles have noted that we could get the 3 drive sell pattern, and although I have missed this moment, and particularly speaking, not just missed by, I was not sure that we will get this pattern, but as a result, we indeed have got it. So I would like to show you, and that means that although market has shown slight action to the upside yesterday, it hasn't cancelled the overall setup of the bread and butter sell on the daily time frame chart. So on the daily Canadian, we see that market has slightly continued moved high. When we have discussed this pattern, market stands right here, and we said that probably market already has hit this target, this fib resistance, and is ready to start move down. But yes, the market has shown slightly higher top and now stands to the downside. So if you'll take a look at the Canadian hourly chart, you'll see that we indeed have got the 3 drive. So that was the first drive, that is second. The second drive stands at 127 extension of the first, while the third drive stands at the crossing of the 127 of the second drive and 1618 of the first drive. That's very typical for the 3 drive action. So now market has hit it. Also, this pattern, this 3 drive sell, has confirmed the daily major trade fib resistance, and now market is turning to the downside gradually. So the minimum target stands right here of the 3 drive pattern if you would like to trade the harmonic pattern. But if you will trade the bread and butter trade, then probably it will stand somewhere around 109.30, 109.40 area, slightly higher than it was yesterday, because market also has created the high, and the 618 support will shift a bit higher. That will be the target of the bread and butter. So I just would like to say that overall setup on the Canadian is still valid, and with this spike it doesn't mean that market has broken the overall setup. So market still, the bread and butter trade is still in progress. Now let's return to the Great British Pound. Recall that on the previous week we have discussed the situation. We said that market probably is forming a bread and butterfly sell, and when it will finish with the retracement down, it could continue move to the next target. The first target is 127 extension that stands at 168.70 area, while 1618 stands approximately at 169.84, approximately 170 even. And we also said that 170 area is the long-term natural support resistance area on the long-term charts. On the monthly time frame chart, if you contract the Great British Pound chart on monthly time frame, you will see that this is really the long-term barrier between the support and resistance. And now market, I think, that stands on the way to it. So now let's shift to the 4-hour time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, that's our butterfly. Recall that we have appointed this support area. That was confidence support, and some previous top inside of the butterfly, and we said that is perfect area to search for possibility to take in the long position, because we will have the significant support on our back. And you can see that market indeed have hit this support and bounce up. Now it stands on the way to the upside. The nearest target will be, as I said, right here with the butterfly. Slightly high is 169 even, stands 1618 extension of that A, B, C bottom pattern, because as you can see, market here is has accelerated right to the 127 extension, has hit it, turns to retracement, and when market accelerates right to the 127, and shows the faster CD leg than AB, it assumes and increase significantly the probability that the market will fall to the 1618. So that's our potential upside target at minimum, so for today's trading session. But meantime, market right now could show some bounce down if it will show the retracement. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, you can see that this is thrust up. Here we have the weekly pivot resistance one that stands at 168.44. Also, that will be probably the 618 extension of the recent retracement. Yes, almost 1618 extension. Well, and market here could turn to some retracement down. And again, if this will really happen, so we could watch for 167.92 area, or even this confluence 167.65 confluence support for possible taking long position with the target on the daily time frame chart to the target around 127 of this butterfly, or even market will proceed right here. Currently it's very difficult to say. But first part of our analysis that we have discussed on the previous week concerning the British pound, particularly speaking, this retracement down has happened. Now we're turning to the continuation of this ABCD and in general of this upward action. So that's the setup on the Great British Pound. What else could be interesting right now except the Canadian and Great British Pound? Well, maybe on an Australian dollar. I will just show you without significant explanation, just give you a hint. So on Australian dollar, we have bullish stop grabber right here. As you can see, market still stands inside of it, but it's difficult to say whether it will work or not. On the intraday charts, it looks also classical setup, so thrust up, ABCD retracement down, right to the agreement with the 50% support. Well, for me, it's a bit not as reliable a situation as on the Great British Pound, but maybe it will work, maybe it will be useful for you somehow, this setup. Well, let's see what will happen, but currently this grabber is still valid because this action and that action stands still inside of the body of this grabber, and mostly this low is still valid and hasn't been taken out by the price action yet. So in fact, that's all that we could find interesting right now on the forex markets. So just 3 moments, Great British Pound is set up to the upside. Maybe something will happen with the Australian dollar stop grabber, and what is most clear setup right now is still the Canadian Brent buy sell. That's 2 major setups that we have right now in the forex market. So let's keep watching, and let's hope that this will give us positive dividends of the trading of these setups.